In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add themes to Notion. If you've ever wanted to give your Notion workspace a unique look or simply make it more visually appealing, you're in the right place. We'll guide you through the process of transforming your workspace by setting themes and customizing various elements, all within just a few minutes. To start, open up Notion. If you aren't already a diehard user, you might find it helpful to have the app handy, whether on your desktop or mobile device. Once you have Notion open, head over to the Settings menu. You can access this by clicking on your profile picture or the Settings icon in the app. Finding this area is your gateway to personalized design features. Now, under Settings, you'll see an option called Appearance. Click on it and you'll be presented with a range of default themes. These are categorized to fit various aesthetic preferences. Whether you prefer something minimalist or vibrant, there's likely a theme that resonates with your style. Choose a theme that speaks to you and notice how instantly it alters the mood of your workspace. Next, open a specific Notion page that you frequently use. Creating a cohesive, aesthetically pleasing space often starts with individual pages. Within your page, you can employ callouts and dividers. Callouts are perfect for emphasizing key points or sections within your page, offering an opportunity to visually organize your thoughts. Dividers, on the other hand, can be used to separate segments or ideas, providing a clearer structure and flow to your content. Taking it a step further, introducing consistency through emojis and icons can add a friendly, visually appealing touch. They not only serve to highlight specific sections or entries, but also add an aspect of fun and personalization. Ensure you use these consistently across your pages, as they can help unify the appearance of your workspace. Don't forget about the power of cover images. Top your pages with a cover that reflects the theme or purpose of the content we're within. Not only do cover images add a visual anchor to your page, but they also offer visitors an immediate insight into what the page is about. Finally, a consistent color palette can greatly enhance the overall visual harmony of your workspace. Choose a set of colors that complement each other and align with your chosen theme. Whether for text, highlights, or backgrounds, using a consistent palette can tie everything together beautifully. By following these steps, you've not only added a theme to your Notion workspace, but you've also created a more inviting, visually engaging space tailored just for you. Happy customizing, and may your new Notion environment bring you productivity and inspiration.